What's up, y'all? It's Shanice, aka China Irie, aka Pineapple Styles. I am back with another video. I am in traffic on the way to the salon. It's a busy Saturday. This is gonna be a vlog style video, but this is gonna be my first time, if you couldn't tell by the title, my first time doing a quick weave on my TWA. Got an event tomorrow, plus I wanted to do something with my hair for my birthday, even though I'm not really doing much for my birthday except hanging out with my boyfriend, but I still want to feel cute, so I'll see y'all when we get into the salon. So I made it to my salon and my client is running behind. So that means I can start on my hair because I am tired, okay? But I bought this hair from the beauty supply store. I got a 10-inch. And two 14 inches. I'm a footly. So this is what I got. 10-inch in Yaki, 1B27. 14-inch balayage blonde. And then 14-inch 1B27. This is how I've been looking. So I'll just wash this real quick. Get it together. So if you came from my Instagram channel, you saw that I tried to do my hair, which for me was yesterday, and it was a fail. So like, I washed it, blow dried it, tried to do passion twists, fail. Did mini twists, they came out, hit. So I took them out today, and I got an event tomorrow now, so I'm like, ooh, I gotta get it together. I can't be a hairstylist out here looking crazy. So I'm gonna wash my hair real quick. Now, I normally wash my hair in the shower, but I really wanted to do a better job of taking good care of my hair since I'm actually trying to grow it out. So this is also part of you guys seeing my hair growth journey real time. So yeah, you're just gonna see me go through the shampoo and condition process, and then we'll get back into the styling. My hair washed. Just like on my clients, I spray in my leave-in product, which in this case was the It's a 10 Keratin leave-in spray. And then I'm going to pre-dry my hair. This is a technique I took from cosmetology school. One of my favorite things to do. First, I pre-dry. Good life, we live in a good life, out here in the sunlight. So now that my hair is a little more dry, I'm adding my comb attachment and I'm going in and stretching my hair with the attachment. This is along the pre-dry category. My hair is probably only 20% dry here, but with the comb attachment, I'm going to try and get it 70% dry. Now that my hair is 70% dry, I like to apply a serum or a heat product. So I'm adding the Chi leave-in. If you're a millennial, you know this product has been ranted and raved about for the last like 15 years. So I want to try it out for myself. So I'm going with my round brush and then I'm going to switch to my paddle brush. If you like to use the cheese serum, let me know down below. If not, tell me what you like to use on your hair.
To you for free when you're letting them go. I used to care about all of these things that people say, leaving me with nothing at all. Working hard to catch a break, that 9 to 7 every day. A voice kept telling me to let it go.
So I am done shampooing and blow drying. As you can see, I did it multiple directions, so that way it would have a lot more movement. This side is still a little damp, but my client is here, so I'm gonna come back after I finish. But you see that? Hopefully this going is straight. I do wanna trim those ends, and I might just do it, at least for the front and the sides, to have them on a good healthy track. Just finished my client and I started braiding down. They don't need to be neat, we just need it out the way. So I'm gonna braid it down and you can watch me. Now y'all, in an effort to embrace what a quick weave really is, I was like, all right, let me make some larger braids. I mean, I'm a hairstylist, right? So I'm doing hair all the time. I don't want to spend my time braiding my hair like that, for real, honestly. So yeah, you see me doing some nice large braids on my hair, just trying to get through it. So watch me braid. Okay, so we are braided down, nice and quick and easy. Let's look at the bag. Okay, not bad, not bad. Now I'm going to oil my scalp with the oil I also use on clients. It's my Jamaican lime black castor oil with rosemary. And then I'm going to put on one of these stocking caps under the actual wig cap that I purchased, so that way my hair is kind of like double protected. And then we're gonna go in with this Wonder Weave thing that people be using. So let's get to it. So as I said, I'm oiling my hair and I ended up sewing the the cap down. And y'all, I shouldn't have done that because I should have known I was gonna take this hairstyle out. If you don't see the trend yet, I take styles out within a week. It normally doesn't even last me a good week. So yeah, but you'll see that in the next tutorial, which is also going to be a sew-in. I know, I'm terrible, y'all, I'm terrible. But yes, so I'm sewing down the cap, just making sure the outside, well, the perimeter is secure, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so the camera got knocked out of place, so I don't know where y'all stopped, but I put on the two caps and sewed it down on the outside. Turn that up a little bit. 15 minutes. And now I'm going to apply the product. Sorry, as I said, this is not a tutorial, this is vlog style, but we're using the Moroccan Argan Oil Weave Wonder Cap. I put it in a collarbone with my brush, and I'm just going to brush it in. So it's dry. Ooh, there we go. Can't hear nothing. So it's dry, but I'm afraid of cutting it too early. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing the tracks. And I'm gonna use my camera to do it. Alright, time to explain a little bit of my process. So essentially I'm opening up these packs of hair, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the track to my head, and then I'm going to cut it, add the glue, blow dry it a little so it's sticky, and then stick it onto my head. And you don't have to blow dry it a little first. I just do that because, you know, I only have so much mobility with doing this on my own head, and I want to make sure it's not sliding everywhere. And then I'm just alternating between the ombre hair and the highlighted hair. That way I get that full highlighted look that I'm going for, but then once I get to the top, I'll still have that ombre and depth in there so that my hair can blend. Now that I'm getting closer to the top and I'm kind of running out of the balayage hair, I'm adding 2 rows of the ombre hair and then 1 of the balayage. Now looking back, I wish I would have used the longer or saved a longer track for the top, just because more of it is dark brown, and the 10-inch you're gonna see not as much of it is dark brown. So when it's time to blend my hair is longer than the dark brown section, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Keep watching. Okay, so I finished gluing everything in. And I am under the dryer. I'm just trying to really set the glue, and I'm gonna cut off the cap and get out of here, okay? I'm gonna do the rest at home. I just needed this to make sure these tracks were in. So once that's done, I am out. So I went in and trimmed the ends so it looks more full, and I added some layers. So that way when I curl it, it will give me what I'm looking for. I'm thinking I might add 1 more right here. We'll see tomorrow though, but see you tomorrow. Happy Sunday, y'all. It is Sunday, June 4th. I got my rest. I had my food. I made breakfast this morning, and we are back with trying to get this hair together. So I feel like I might be okay. There's a little spacing right there, and part of me wants to put another track in up there, but I feel like I have so much leave out that I don't need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my leave out. As you can see, me sleeping on the hair, like this side is all bent weird and this side is all nice and smooth, but I love it. I mean, it cost me $80, but it feels nice. It has a lot of movement. And you know, I have the 10 inches in here to add some more layering, and I did layer it in the salon before I left last night. So we gonna see how it turns out curls wise. But yeah, let's get into straightening this hair of mine. Now don't come at me, y'all. If you've done quick weave, sew-ins, and all that stuff before, then you know if your hair is super short compared to the real hair, don't put that much leave out. So if you haven't done this before and you're watching me to see what you can learn, my major tip, don't leave out so much hair. It's just way too much to blend. And also I have bought a couple wax sticks, but still it doesn't do the job because there's just so much hair. I underestimated how much hair I have. So yeah, learn from me, leave less hair out. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. Obviously, this isn't how it's gonna stay, but this is my hair. I have my wax stick ready, but this is the funniest thing, right? So I left a comment on this video on Instagram, and like 700 people liked my comment. And I'm about to do exactly the same thing I left a comment about, which is hilarious, but it is what it is. I'm a hairstylist. I'm trying different things. So we're gonna see how it works. But I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna actually add the piece that I was thinking about adding in here on the top, just so it can blend a little better, and maybe a couple pieces in between. So I'll be back because my phone's about to die. So I'll see y'all, I think, when I'm styling it. See you in a bit. All right, y'all, it is 12:03. I need to leave by about 12:30, and I still got a shower. It took forever to try and curl these. This one piece, sorry y'all, you just want to be balanced right here. This one piece is not about to do that to me. Like, bruh, we don't got the time. Yeah, cool. We don't got the, One of the tracks started to come out, y'all. It was a hot mess. So yeah, this is the prep. I wanted to do a full face, but obviously I don't have the time. So I'm gonna take a shower and do my eyebrows and maybe some under eye, and I'm gonna take it out and show y'all the final look when I'm ready to go to the event. So I'll be back in a few. Y'all, I'm running late, but this is it. This is the look. Makeup is done. I tried to blend it as much as I can into the roots. Hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. It's cute though. Yay. So if you like this style, let me know. I guess you can leave your tips of what I could do to make it better next time. I think I would include darker hair in the top just to blend my little short hairs better. So what would you do differently? Let me know. Drop it down below. Subscribe to see more videos.